Talking about marvellous mini-magician Ryland Petty.
My name's Ryland and I'm a magician. I live with my mum, my dad and my sister Thea. I love magic. I like watching people's reactions. I've got this box here. You see it's completely empty now? Yeah, look. Look, there's balls now. Wow! I first started developing magical powers when I was 2. The first time I performed on stage, it went so well that my parents got me a Lego set. I like toys because it makes me use my imagination. Imagination is really important as a magician. It helps grow your magical powers. Now, before this all began, when you'd first sat down with me, I asked you to pick a word. What was that word?
It was love. Wow.
I am speechless.
Watch this.
Helicopter!
Hey, helicopter!